Greetings. I'm the man in the yellow hat. This is extraterrestrial Giorgio, and we're here on the beach in Cape Canaveral, Florida before sunrise to bring you exclusive footage of the final flyby of the Space Shuttle Endeavour as it leaves here in Cape Canaveral and heads out to its new home in California. This just goes to show you what great lengths we'll go to with the Florida U.F.O. report to bring you the best UFO, space, and astronomy news here in Florida. Quite a crowd we got. Ended up showing up to see the flyby, and there it is. Starting to make its turn now. Gone into the clouds. And that was the last time we'll see the space shuttle on the Space Coast. Well, we may have lost our flying shuttle fleet, but we still have this mock-up here just outside Titusville at the Astronaut Hall of Fame. And there's another one over at the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Center just across the causeway right behind me. Now, don't forget to catch extraterrestrial Giorgio and myself on the Florida UFO report, and that'll be coming to you soon right here on this YouTube channel. Until then, keep looking up. Peace.